Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the C1000-144 exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank, and they were updated on October 29, 2024. Exam details. Exam objectives. Question 1. Why must hypotheses about AI system behavior be created? The knowledge points of this question are: hypotheses on AI system behavior and risk management. By predicting how an AI system might behave, teams can spot and fix potential issues early on, making it safer and more reliable. This is especially important in areas like healthcare, where mistakes can have serious consequences. Thinking ahead helps ensure the AI works fairly and meets ethical standards. Check out some options for this question. Incorrect. Creating hypotheses does not directly reduce development time. Instead, it may increase initial time investment to mitigate potential risks after deployment. Correct. The purpose of creating hypotheses about AI behavior is to identify and address potential risks, ensuring the AI system's safety and reliability. Incorrect. Although AI system performance can impact public perception, creating hypotheses is not primarily a public relations effort. Incorrect. While some AI applications may have legal compliance requirements, creating behavior hypotheses is not a universal legal requirement for all AI projects. Question 2. In the machine learning context, what does data drift mean? The knowledge points of this question are: data drift. Data drift happens when data changes over time, which can make the model less accurate. By monitoring for drift, teams can catch these shifts early and adjust the model as needed to keep it working well with current data. Ignoring drift can lead to inaccurate predictions, so it's key for long-term reliability. Incorrect. Data drift is unrelated to model migration. It refers to changes in data characteristics rather than where a model is hosted. Incorrect. Parameter changes are not the same as data drift, which refers to shifts in the data distribution, not modifications to model parameters. Correct. Data drift occurs when the distribution of data changes over time, leading to a decline in model performance. Incorrect. Hardware movement does not relate to data drift, which specifically refers to changes in data characteristics. Question 3. What is the preferred approach for prioritizing MVP opportunities? The knowledge points of this question are: prioritization of minimum viable product opportunities. Prioritizing MVPs based on return and how well they fit with company goals helps focus resources on the most valuable projects. This approach ensures MVPs not only deliver quick wins but also align with the bigger picture, helping the business grow sustainably. Incorrect. Prioritizing the simplest option without considering impact can waste resources and fail to achieve the desired market effect. Correct. Evaluating return on investment and strategic alignment helps ensure the chosen MVP delivers quick value and supports the company's long-term goals. Incorrect. Prioritization should be based on potential value, not individual preferences, to align with business interests. Incorrect. Although technological advances are important, Prioritizing solely on this does not guarantee market value or strategic fit. Question 4. What is the main goal of monitoring a model during production? The knowledge points of this question are: model monitoring. Monitoring a model in action lets teams catch performance changes due to factors like new data or different user behaviors. By tracking metrics like accuracy, teams can make quick adjustments if issues pop up, ensuring the model stays reliable and effective over time. Incorrect. The main goal is not to enhance the model's output appearance, but to maintain performance consistency. Correct. Monitoring a model in production aims to ensure stable performance, maintaining accuracy and response time in real applications. Incorrect. Simplifying the model might improve efficiency, but this is not directly related to monitoring in production. Incorrect. Increasing training speed is relevant in the development phase, not in the model's production monitoring. Question 5. Which activities are key in cleansing data for analysis? The knowledge points of this question are: data cleansing. Data cleansing removes errors and bias to make sure the data is accurate and fair. This involves tasks like labeling data correctly, anonymizing private details, and making sure the data truly represents what's being studied. Clean data boosts model reliability and leads to more trustworthy predictions. Correct. Correctly labeling data helps the model understand and categorize information, a fundamental part of data cleansing. Correct. Ensuring data is representative helps the model perform accurately and fairly across different scenarios. Correct. To protect privacy, especially with personal data, anonymization is a crucial data cleansing step. Incorrect. Ignoring missing data can lead to incomplete analyses. Handling missing data is an essential part of data cleansing. Incorrect. While some analyses may require chronological structuring, it is not a universal data cleansing requirement. If you have any questions about the C1000-144 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.